Question number 1. He is indifferent dash the opinions of others. The right answer is option A, 2. He is indifferent to the opinions of others. Question number 2. She entrusted the documents dash her assistant. The right answer is option A, 2. She entrusted the documents to her assistant. Question number 3. The proposal was rejected dash financial constraints. The right answer is option B, due to. The proposal was rejected due to financial constraints. Question number 4. He was exempted dash attending the meeting. The right answer is option B, from. He was exempted from attending the meeting. Question number 5. The policy is designed to cater dash the needs of rural populations. The right answer is option B, 2. The policy is designed to cater to the needs of rural populations. Question number 6. The train runs dash the coast for several kilometers. The right answer is option A, along. The train runs along the coast for several kilometers. Question number 7. They are struggling dash financial difficulties. The right answer is option C, under. They are struggling under financial difficulties. Question number 8. She was accused dash stealing the documents. The right answer is option B, of. She was accused of stealing the documents. Question number 9. The painting was attributed dash a famous artist. The right answer is option A, 2. The painter was attributed to a famous artist. Question number 10. The liar argued dash behalf of his client. The right answer is option C, on. The liar argued on behalf of his client. Question number 11. He differs dash his brother in many aspects. The right answer is option B, from. He differs from his brother in many aspects. Question number 12. The book is available dash major bookstores. The right answer is option B, 8. The book is available at major bookstores. Question number 13. She was preoccupied dash her thoughts and didn't notice the time. The right answer is option B, with. She was preoccupied with her thoughts and didn't notice the time. Question number 14. He was praised dash his extraordinary achievements. The right answer is option C, for. He was praised for the extraordinary achievements. Question number 15. She glanced dash the newspaper quickly before leaving. The right answer is option A, 8. She glanced at the newspaper quickly before leaving. Question number 16. The teacher insisted dash discipline in the classroom. The right answer is option A, on. The teacher insisted on discipline in the classroom. Question number 17. The house is located dash the outskirts of the city. The right answer is option B, on. The house is located on the outskirts of the city. Question number 18. The answer lies hidden dash the lines. The right answer is option B, between. The answer lies hidden between the lines. Question number 19. She is proficient dash several languages. The right answer is option A, in. She is proficient in several languages. Question number 20. He persisted dash asking the same question. The right answer is option C, in. He persisted in asking the same question. Question number 21. The package was delivered dash courier. The right answer is option A, by. The package was delivered by courier. Question number 22. He relies dash his friends for advice. The right answer is option A, on. He relies on his friends for advice. Question number 23. The argument escalated dash in unnecessary level. The right answer is option B, 2. The argument escalated dash in unnecessary level. Question number 24. The minister is answerable dash the parliament. The right answer is option A, 2. The minister is answerable to the parliament. Question number 25. The book is concerned dash environmental issues. The right answer is option B, with. The book is concerned with environmental issues. Question number 26. She embarked dash a new journey after college. The right answer is option B, on. She embarked on a new journey after college. Question number 27. He complied dash the instructions without hesitation. The right answer is option B, with. He complied dash the instructions without hesitation. Question number 28. She was absorbed dash the novel and lost track of time. The right answer is option A, in. She was absorbed in the novel and lost track of time. Question number 23. He aspires dash a leadership role in the company. The right answer is option A, 2. He aspires to a leadership role in the company. Question number 30. The article deals dash a controversial topic. The right answer is option C, with. The article deals with a controversial topic. Question number 31. He abstains dash alcohol for health reason. The right answer is option A, from. He abstains from alcohol for health reasons. Question number 32. The play is based dash a historical event. The right answer is option A, on. The play is based on a historical event. Question number 33. He indulged dash a little luxury after his promotion. The right answer is option A, in. He indulged in a little luxury after his promotion. Question number 34. The case was referred dash a higher authority. The right answer is option B, 2. The case was referred to a higher authority. Question number 35. She succeeded dash overcoming her fears. The right answer is option B in. She succeeded in overcoming her fears. Question number 36. They were impressed dash his performance. The right answer is option B by. They were impressed by his performance. Question number 37. She excels dash mathematics and science. The right answer is option A it. She excels at mathematics and science. Question number 38. He escaped dash serious injury in the accident. The right answer is option A with. He escaped with serious injury in the accident. Question number 39. The country is rich dash natural resources. The right answer is option B N. The country is rich in natural resources. Question number 40. The decision rests dash the board's approval. The right answer is option B with. The decision rests with the board's approval. Question number 41. He sympathized dash his friend in difficult times. The right answer is option A with. He sympathized with his friend in difficult times. Question number 42. The project was aimed at reducing pollution. The right answer is option C. It. The project was aimed at reducing pollution. Question number 43. She is enthusiastic dash her new rule. The right answer is option A about. She is enthusiastic about her new rule. Question number 44. They were tied dash waiting for hours. The right answer is option B of. They were tired of waiting for hours. Question number 45. He is loyal dash his principles. The right answer is option B 2. He is loyal to his principles. Question number 46. The results correspond dash our expectation. The right answer is option B 2. The results correspond to our expectations. Question number 47. The students participated dash the event enthusiastically. The right answer is option A in. The students participated in the event enthusiastically. Question number 48. The child clung dash her mother when frightened. The right answer is option A 2. The child clung to her mother when frightened. Question number 49. The report was consistent dash the data provided. The right answer is option C with. The report was consistent with the data provided. Question number 50. She was entrusted dash managing the project. The right answer is option A with. She was entrusted with managing the project. Thanks for watching.